Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So guys, I am already back on day 2 of week 2 mega sale because we have, yes, an updated Kroger must-do deals video. I have a couple more freebies and some new deals that have popped up in Ibotta and just really awesome things happening. So before we get going, please do me a huge favor. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all. If you like Kroger videos, you want to make sure you're subscribed to my channel because, yes, I do a ton with Kroger. So let's just check out what is going on. So first we're going to start with our mega sale items. I like to divide these up into sections so that way you're very clear of what's mega sale and what is not. We're going to start out here where you have to buy 5 or more participating items. You do not have to buy 5 of the same item. You can mix and match. And then once you hit 5 items, $1 per item comes off a transaction, which, you know, you could buy 6, 7, 8 at that point. Anything above 5, it doesn't matter if you buy 86 items, you'll get $1 off per item. It'd be amazing if you could buy 86 items. But anyway, then you can stack them with coupons, rebate apps, all those good things. And this is how we get money makers and freebies. So first deal is actually in my must-do deals video from yesterday, but I have an update for you. I have another rebate app making this an even bigger moneymaker. So the Kind frozen treat bars 5 count, regularly priced $5.99, on sale for $5.49, mega sale for $4.49. Now, some regions, they are a little bit cheaper, like 50 cents cheaper. So you might be grabbing these for $3.99 each. So that's a possibility. This could be an even bigger money maker for you. But in my region, mega sale for $4.49, pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 4 back on 1, limit of 1 time. Submit to Fetch for 3,000 points, which is a limit of 2 times. And then, this is what's awesome. This is the new thing I missed completely yesterday, but Shopkick has a rebate for 790 kicks, so $7.75 for purchasing, and then 15 scan kicks. That's basically $3.16. Then that makes the final cost for one of these boxes completely free and a $5.67 money maker. So this is my suggestion for you because I know we have 3 different kind to choose from on Shopkick, plus you have the option of grabbing 2 of them for Fetch. I would do 1 box early on and do everything you got. Then get that free and make the $5.67 and see what happens with Ibotta. See if it reloads either another deal, maybe not $4 back, but maybe reload something. Then go back and do this deal again. And it may not be quite as big of a moneymaker, or it might not even be a moneymaker, depending on the Ibotta rebate, but you could still get a really, really good deal. And get 2 of them eventually. So that would be my suggestion for you. Obviously, you could grab 2 in the same transaction, and I haven't done the math on that, but you'd only get 1 Ibotta rebate. But I kind of have a feeling that Ibotta will reload with something for these Kind frozen bars, even if it's not 4 back. If it happens to be 4 back, wouldn't it be amazing to get 2 of these and make over $10? That's amazing. All right, so really, really awesome deal. And obviously, if your bars are cheaper, then you're going to have an even bigger moneymaker than me. All right, let's talk about another possible freebie here, the Colgate Optic White Pro Series toothpaste. Now, this toothpaste is normally $10.99, $11 toothpaste. This is craziness. On sale for $9.99, mega sale for $8.99. There is this huge 5 off 1 digital coupon. Load that digital coupon, pay $3.99 out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1, a limit of 5 times. And then Fetch does have, for some people's account, 3,500 points. Now, my Fetch does not have this, so I was not able to pull up a picture for you, but I've seen a couple, Instagram, if you're on Instagram, about 10 different people posted this, that they had the Fetch for 3,500 points, meaning that you got it completely free and a 51-cent moneymaker. So if you have Fetch, you are getting this for an amazing deal. Well, if you have this particular rebate and Fetch, you're getting this for an amazing deal. If not, and you don't have the 3,500 points, you're like me, $2.99, but $3 for $11 toothpaste is still a really, really great deal. Next deal we have here is the Kraft Deluxe Mac and Cheese. It's regularly priced $3.79, on sale for $3.49, mega sale for $2.49. Pay that out of pocket. We just got a brand new rebate from Ibotta this week for 50 cents back on one. It's limited 5 times. Final cost is $1.99 each. I did check Kroger Cashback. I was kind of hoping to see that they also had 50 cents or something back from them, but nope, no go on that, unfortunately. But $1.99 for these, not a bad deal. Basically the exact same deal, but just Velveeta shells and cheese. These are regularly priced $3.79, on sale for $3.49, mega sale for $2.49. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for that 50 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost $1.99 each. Okay, so that is the update on your deals that have to do with mega sale. Now I'm going to talk about some deals that are not mega sale. They're just deals within the store. That have nothing to do with having to buy so many items or so many participating items. So let's check these deals out. All right, so we have a new Ibotta rebate today with kind of a new product. At least I've never seen these before. The Hostess Crispy Minis. Now these are regularly priced $3.49. We do have a sale price of $3 each. Pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta has a rebate, and this is brand new today, 75 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost is going to be $2.25 each. I've never had these. The cookies and cream look amazing. I can really eat anything with cookies and cream. Strawberries, but the cookies and cream, I could definitely eat. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried these. Are these any good? And yeah, let me know if you are team cookies and cream or team strawberries and cream. All right, next deal we have is the Honey Made Graham Crackers. These are regularly priced $4.99, on sale for $3.99. Pay that out of pocket, then you can submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one. It is a limit of 5 times, so you could grab these for $2.99. Now that actually seems a little high to me because I think you can buy the Kroger brand for quite a bit cheaper. Without any kind of rebates, but again, maybe you're brand specific or possibly you're needing some rebate apps for some sort of bonus for Ibotta and it doesn't bother you to grab this. But I actually do have a little bit better of a scenario for you, so let me show you a bigger scenario that you might prefer. Okay, so right now at Kroger, there is a deal, a bundle deal going on. If you grab one of the Honey Made Graham Crackers that's regularly priced $4.99, one of the Hershey's Chocolate that's regularly priced $4.49, and one of the Jet Puff Marshmallows 12 ounce that's regularly priced $2.19, the total for that would be $11.67. However, there is a sale going on this week. When you buy one of each, it does turn out to be an $8 bundle, but you do have to buy these specific products all in the same transaction. So out of pocket, you would pay $8, then you could submit to Ibotta for that $1 back on one. It's a limit of 5 times. So your final cost would be $7 total. I didn't want to divide it up into 3 because the Jet Puff marshmallows would look way too expensive, but $7 as opposed to paying almost $12 is about a $5 savings, and I think that's a pretty good deal. So this might actually make it worth grabbing those Honey Made as opposed to grabbing the Kroger brand. Okay guys, that's all I have for you. If you like this updated deals video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend and follow me on social media if you don't already. I have it all linked in the description box below, as well as a printable doc and all those good things down there. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you later. Bye guys.